Here is how to create a delivery note in Zoho Books, step by step. Begin by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. This is where the main sections of Zoho Books are organized. From there, go to Sales, then select Invoices. That will open your invoice list, where you can find the transaction you want to use for the delivery note. In the invoice list, open the specific invoice connected to the items you are delivering. Make sure you choose the correct invoice before moving on, since Zoho Books creates the delivery note directly from the details already saved in that record. When the invoice opens, you will see its full information on screen, including the customer details, the products or services listed, and the quantities. At the top of the invoice page, find the PDF/print option and click it. This opens a drop-down menu with different print-related actions. From that menu, select Print Delivery Note. As soon as you choose that option, Zoho Books generates a delivery note automatically based on the invoice you opened. You do not need to enter the details again because the system pulls them from the invoice. After the delivery note appears, take a moment to review the preview carefully. Check that the customer information shown on the document is correct. Then look over the item details and confirm that the listed products match the invoice. Review the quantities as well, especially if the invoice contains multiple line items. If your document includes delivery information, make sure those details are accurate too. This review matters because the delivery note is what goes with the shipment or handoff, so it should match the invoice record exactly. Once everything in the preview looks correct, choose how you want to save or share the document. If you need a printed copy, click Print. That sends the delivery note to your printer using the current print settings. If you need a digital version instead, use the download option in the PDF viewer to save the file as a PDF. This is useful when you want to send a delivery note electronically or keep a copy outside the invoice screen. The process stays tied to the original invoice the whole time, which helps keep the delivery note consistent with the transaction already recorded in Zoho Books. If the preview does not look right, return to the invoice and confirm you opened the intended record before printing or downloading. Your delivery note in Zoho Books is now created and ready to print or save as a PDF.